Monte Calvo, corner pass to China with a close out three. That is easy now for Lorna for the defensive rebound. Nice fake. Bounce pass for Cesar with a layup. Jason on Marvin Johnson, bounce pass to Canelo. There's a big steal by Tony Campo. Tony Campo with a 200 sequential. Oh, it's a back-to-back. Extra basket and one. Monte Calvo. Cesar, bounce pass to Eke for the 100 there. Using his footwork, working inside. Jersey number 34, Cesar chain time. Monte Calvo, Cesar, isolation right. And turn off the flash and wrong cell phone. Nice jumble. Eke for the defense of Injase. Monte Calvo on the board, kick out to Loyola, knock down to 8. That is good with a bunch of rebound again. Eke inside, basket is good. So that needs to order the rebound to Gonzaga. Bounce was for Injase. Injase on the corner, launch it, basket is good. Jersey number 34, Cesar. With a high post screen of Eke. Nice cut, Loyola off the glass. Cesar wearing jersey number 34. With a high post screen of Eke. Pocket pass inside. What a connection between Eke and Tony Campo. At the point where the team ito Mark and James. Sinagan is teaming for a play. Ayan sa Chibito Zera. Nothing but men. Back down to 8. Kick out to Cesar. Attack to the closeout. Layup is good by Cesar. Okay, sa nag-take of video, balikan turn on sa flash and wrong cell phone. Kick out to Tony Campo. Shot clock down to 5. That is still good. Eke for the offensive rebound. Monte Calvo for the catch and shoot. That is a 3 points. Out. Monte Calvo on the run. Here comes Monte Calvo with the defense of Manayap. But that is still good for the center backcourt. Upper defense of Monte Calvo. Here comes the high post screen of Injase. Now from Injase, such a free throw line. Basket is good. Comes in now. Cesar. On the ladder comes to Cesar. Attack to the mismatch. That is an extra basket and one. Jason on Marvin Johnson. There's a big steal by Tony Campo. Tony Campo with a 200 sequential. Oh! Extra basket and one. We have us Tony Campo with a side step. Basket is good by Tony Campo. Jersey number 5 in Johnson. That is a counter 2 by Johnson. At the end of the next rebound. Nice defense. Cesar for the side step. Basket is good. Shutlack down to 10. Cesar for the defense of Caniedo. Corner pass, Shutlack down to 5. It's a 3 points by Monte Calvo. Number 5. Injase, penetrating inside. Offensive rebound by Injase. Caniedo with a floater for Cesar. Shutlack down to 14. Rock pass to the corner, Tony Campo with a reverse layup. Injase with the defense of Cesar. With the pull up jumper is good. Pass to Mortona. Shutlack down to 14. Eke on the long two, nothing but net. Last 5 seconds. That is the time for the first quarter. Jersey number 23, Monticalvo back to Portona. Using the jog step. Monticalvo corner pass to China with a close out 3. That is easy now for Portona for the best of rebound. Nice fake. Bounce pass for Cesar with a layup. And there is an extra basket and one again. Hand up to Maria. Jersey number 7, step up 3. It's a 3 points by Jojo Maria. Monticalvo. Cesar bounce pass to Eke for the 100 there. Gonzalo on the drive. That is usual. Gonzalo again. That is the hustle. Monticalvo cross-court pass to Cesar. Counter offense by Mr. Cesar. Here comes Wayne Jose. Dribbling the ball, getting straight inside. Oh, the glass is good. Goal. Corner pass to Jana, back to Bingol. Catching to 3. It's a 3 points by Bingol. Alto swing by Jose Balasa. On the mid-range area. There's number 23, Cesar. Nice cut by Portona with a quick basket. Nice counter steal by Eke. Cesar corner pass to Portona. Step back 3. It's a 3 points. Portona. Enjase. In the defense of Eke. Crossover speed. Feed away. Oh, the glass is good. Forward pass to Gonzalo using the side step. That is here in the defense of Injustice, should lack down to 8. Nice play by Eke in Jana. 6. Cesar Eke for the 210 for the second half. Isolation. Reverse layup. Looking his companion. Cesar. Jana inside. Basket is good. Layup forward pass to Gonzalo with a 2-on-1 situation. That is a quick layup. Jersey number 2, Bingol. Cesar. Layup is good. Should land down to 5. We have a call by the referee. With a close defense of Madea. Here comes the Monticalvo with a high post screen of Cesar. Jana with a setup of Monticalvo. We have a basket and 1. Should land down to 5. It's a 3 points by Maria. We have the battle rebound. Cesar collect the rebound. Bounce pass to Ramos. Got by Jana for the reverse. Ninjas with the defense of Ramos. Just 8 seconds. That is the time for the second quarter. Forward pass to Injase. Hand up to Mulasa. Mulasa using his handle for the step back 3. It's a 3 points by Benjamin Mulasa. Now Jersey number 5, Jana on the layup. Basket is good. 8. Should let down to 5. Offensive rebound in Jose, but there's a ball referee. Okay, Master Toricampo, that is your third personal foul. Provide John on the unit sa Palasa. Cesar on the low post area. Nice cut by Jana with the handle of Cesar. Gonzalo wide open corner three. It's a 3 points. Jersey number 10 Palasa. Gonzalo. Rampas by Jose. Basket is good by Jose. 56-61. Only 5 points lead by the team by Lumon. Ege on the low post area with the defense of Jose. Nice hook shot. Send the ball by Mr. Ball. Palasa for the catch and shoot. It's a 3 points by Benjamin Palasa for Cesar. Nice defense by Gonzalo for the steal. And that last is good. Now 61-63. And for 2 points by Cesar. Side step. Loyola to Cesar. Nice side step by Cesar. Montigal from forward pass to Cesar. Cesar again. And we are. Gonzalo stops the free throw line. Yes, it is good. The lead is back into 63-69. Cesar, nice break by Gonzalo. Not enough. On the fast break. Back-to-back basket. That's a fight it out. Taking hand up to Loyola. Cesar on the low post area. Everybody up. The high post screen, deflecting the ball. Montigallo. Jersey number 24. That is a turnover again. Toricampo on the run. Extra basket and run. Jersey number 7 Maria. That's a third personal foul. Referee now on the drive. Nice defense. Leading the three, and that is an air ball. Toricampo off the line. Cesar, Loyola, easy basket. That is another 2 on the man of Ege. Last 9 seconds. That is the time for the third quarter. Okay, jersey number 9, that is your third personal foul, Mr. Danielo. Jersey number 11. Cesar, and the closing defense of Gonzalo. Monty Calvo. Cesar to the limits of Rosario. Should let down to 5. Layup is good by Cesar. Cesar. Down to Mascarenhas. Then Jose, layup is good. Cesar slowly dribbling the ball. Should let down to 10. Layup is good by Tori Campo. An offensive rebound. And an extra basket and one. Okay, Monty Calvo strong. Golasa. Answer in Jose again. Here comes in Jose. Isolation drive. Up the glass is good. The lead is coming to 10. 74-84. Cesar. Jaya with a good block. Morikawa with a steal. Morikawa, basket is good. First number 5 in Jose. Off the glass is good. Cesar inside. Morikawa, basket is good. 8. Morikawa into the fast break. And to that layup of Morikawa. It's for 3 points, Golasa. Left down to 8. Layup is good for Monty Calvo. Jersey number 7. Basket is good by Jose. Morikawa on the drive. Layup is good. To Cesar. Maybe inside. Golasa. That is looking Jose. Basket is good by. Nice connection between Cesar and Eke. Jersey number 7, Mariam. Layup is good by Boyd. It's for 3 points by Cesar. Quarter pass Golasa. It's for 3 points. Should let down to Boyd. Nice big feed away of Tori Campo. Should let down to Boyd. That is a shot clock violation. Congratulations, Maluman Matatak. They will advance for the championship game.